Way back from out of the dry lands, my grandfather's strong hands, they built this home, wielding an axe and a hand drill and a mountain of raw skill. He built it to last. Long days of work in the fields, but then the yields, they started to fall. The drought hit, and then came the dust bowl. It carried the topsoil away in a gust. Winters, he worked in a sawmill to pay for the crop bills and hope they would grow. He went home with all of the scrap wood and did all that he could to finish the house. A hot day beneath the veranda, I went to stand up. It hit me at once. He's gone now, but not what he left us. This home that kept us connected to him.